lion lives in a den. Bear. Cave. A bear lives in a cave. Dog. Kennel. A dog lives in a kennel. Frog. Pond. A frog lives in a pond. Cow. Shed. A cow lives in a shed. Sheep. Fold. A sheep lives in a fold. Hen. Coop. A hen lives in a coop. Pig. Pigsty. A pig lives in a pigsty. Horse. Stable. A horse lives in a stable. Bird. Nest. A bird lives in a nest. Giraffe. Savannah. Giraffes live in savannah. Zebra. Savannah. Zebras live in savannah. Panda. Bamboo forest. Pandas lives in bamboo forests. Camel. Desert. A camel lives in a desert. Deer. Grasslands. A deer lives in grasslands. Monkey. Tree. A monkey lives on a tree. Ant. Anthill. Ants live on an anthill. Rabbit. Burrow. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Duck. Pond. A duck lives in a pond. Cat. Basket. A cat lives in a basket or cat tree. Squirrel. Tree hole. A squirrel lives in a tree hole. Bee. Beehive. Bees live in a beehive. Mouse. Hole. A mouse lives in a hole. Woodpecker. Tree hole. A woodpecker lives in a tree hole. Spider. Web. A spider lives in a web. Turkey. Farm. A turkey lives in a farm. Worm. Leaf. A worm lives in a leaf. Turtle. Sea. A turtle lives in a sea. Fish. Aquarium. A fish lives in an aquarium. Snake. Hole. A snake lives in a hole. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like and share.